What is up, guys? This is Criminal Knight. This is my first video that I'm uploading on this channel, and today we're going to be hacking Subway Surfer with Lucky Patcher. So I just installed the game just then, and just go into Lucky Patcher. I'll just finish that. So you go onto Lucky Patcher, you find the game. The one without all these ones with the 4-leaf clover on the side, they're all the ones that I've hacked. So I'll just click onto Subway Surfer, go to open menu of patches, and it should come up with create modified APK file. So you click on it, then you go APK rebuild in app and L level emulation. Click on that, and you press on rebuild the app, and then when it loads, it will take a while. So I'll get back to you guys. When it's done. Okay, so it's done now, and all you're gonna press is go to file, but before you click it, you check on the top, and it should say patch pattern N1 and N2 success, and N3 and N4 doesn't need to worry about that one. So you just click on it, and then it should bring up one file at the top, Subway Surfer. So you click on the file, and if your device is rooted, you press install. But if it's not, if you do not have a rooted device, you press uninstall and then install. Okay, so you press OK for uninstall, and then you press install, and then you just wait for it to download. So this is my new channel that's being uploaded, and I'm gonna be posting hacking videos, hacking games, gameplays of games, and basically anything you guys want. Probably some Pokemon Go ones are gonna be posted up sometime. And yep, when it's finished, you press open. Then it should come up. And this is no scam or anything. It's 100% working. This day, here's the date. Here, Sunday, the 16th of October. Okay, so I'm gonna have to do the tutorial here, so I'll be back with you after this tutorial. And then, yeah. And what you do now is you go and press the plus up in the top, go down, and then you know where it says Vault of Coins, click it, and press, and then in app purchases hack, press yes. And there you go. And leave a like if you enjoyed the video, comment, subscribe, and peace out.